Girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we're talking about less and greater, and we're also comparing numbers. We're going to begin today by reading this book called Tall, Tall Tree. Let's go. Creeping, hopping, zipping throughout the redwoods green are many different creatures who are very seldom seen. Seldom means not very often. They live among the branches high in this tall, tall tree. Insects, birds, and mammals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 1. A single soaring eagle against a sky of blue searches for his dinner, and now comes number 2. 2 brown and spotted owls nest in the canopy, carrying food to babies, and now comes number 3. 3 climbing salamanders above the forest floor hunt for tiny insects, and now comes number 4. 4 busy woodpeckers, in order to survive, are storing all their acorns, and now comes number, let's count the woodpeckers on this one. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and now comes number 5. 5 furry wood rats, darting in the sticks, dining on some juicy plants, and now comes number, let's count these as well. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is the number different if we count in a different direction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's exactly the same. 6. 6 chattering chipmunks in this treetop heaven dash, dart, and scamper, and now comes number, can we count these real quick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down there 6. Now comes number 7. 7 busy bumblebees zig and zag and wait. They flash in black and yellow, and now comes number, let's count these. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the last one? Hidden on top. 7. And now comes number 8. 8 sleeping bats roosting in a line, waiting for the moon to rise. And now comes number, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now comes number 9. 9 banana slugs, yellow, slimy, then they slide around the tree, and now comes number, let's do it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now comes number 10. 10 spotted ladybugs on teeny tiny feet crawl along the needles, but our story's not complete. Let's count the ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the one flying makes 10. Many other animals sleep and eat and roam up in this tall, tall tree, their elevated home. The tree lives in a forest close to the foggy shore. It's a wild and magic world. Come discover and explore. All right, thank you, boys and girls, for reading with me. Now let's go ahead and look at our math board. Now here, how many do we have? Can you supersize that? That's right, that's 5. I'm going to go ahead and write the number 5 right above. Okay. All right, so I have 5 stars. Now, what do you think this says over here? That says fewer. What if I wanted to show fewer or less than 5? What I'm going to do is take the eraser and erase one of them. All right, so that is fewer than 5. Now let me put the 5 back up there. There, now there's 5 again. Now I wonder what this says. This says more. If I wanted to show more than 5, what would I do? Would I erase? No, I would add. Let's go ahead. I added one more. Now that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 6 more or fewer than 5? It's more. All right, boys and girls. So now, in our stepping stones, we're going to take a look at this. And we're going to pick a number. Let's pick, now we're not going to count this number, let's pick a different number. Let's pick the number 3. Okay, we're going to compare the number 3 to this number here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and write the number 3 on top. Now, can you subitize this group? How many's there? That's right, that's 6. Okay, if we compare 6, and I'll write 6 right over here. 6 is on this in this rectangle. If we compare 6 with 3, okay, is 6 fewer than 3 or more than 3? That's right, 6 is more than 3. Very good. Let's look at one more. Okay, now let's pick a number. How about this time? Let's pick 7. Okay, now can you subitize this group? Subitize this group of bottle caps. That's right, that's 5. There's 5 there. Now we picked 7, so this number here, or this group of objects, which is 5, is it less or greater than 7? What do you think? That's right, 5 is less than 7. Now let me go ahead and, in this one I'm going to go ahead and draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So as I can see, this is greater than this. So 5 is less than 7. All right, boys and girls. Now in our stepping stones, we're going to open to page 51, or 55 rather. And here in the middle we have some groups of objects. Okay? And on this side, this says less than. And on this side, this says greater than. So all the way down this column, we're going to draw less than, a group of objects that are less than this number. So subitize this one with me. How many is that? That's right, that's 6. Okay? So if I was going to draw less than 6, how many would I do? Let me go ahead and get a different color, nice blue. I would do, and I'm just going to make some circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is less than 6. How about greater than or more than? How many would I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the same. I need to put one more at least. Now I have greater than. I have 7 is greater than 6. Let's do one more. I'm going to change the color to match it. I have some stars here. So how many do I have here? Subitize that. That is 4. Very good. First, let's do the greater than. If I was going to draw a number, a quantity greater than 4, how many would I draw? At least 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Boys and girls, is 6 also greater than 4? Yes. 6 could go here. 7 could go here. Anything more, 5 or more, is greater than 4. Now how about less than? What would be less than 4? Well, is 1 less than 4? Yeah. 2 is less than 4. How about 3? Good. Now what if I did one more? Would that be less than 4? No, that would be the same. So 3 is less than 4. All right, boys and girls, so go ahead and finish the rest of these. Take a picture, upload it, and thank you for joining me for math.